Okay, so in our booklet, after the inverse opposite, so that's our perpendicular line, and parallel lines have the same slope, sometimes we need to calculate the distance between 2 points on the same straight line. Make use of this formula. Or Pythagoras, because this and Pythagoras are exactly the same thing. But I'm going to go and I'm going to use this formula on this black line that we did earlier. This was y equals negative a half x minus 3. So let's get our 2 points. Point number 1 is this. So that's going to be 2, negative 4. Counting over 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4. And point number 2, I just picked this one here. That's going to be 11, negative 8. Okay, so let's get our distance formula. This means the square root of everything. So we're going to have to go x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay, let's do some substituting. Keep the square root sign until the end. x2, so this is point number 2, the x value. So that's going to be 11. x1 is going to be 2. We need to square that. We're going to add to it the y value. So this is point 2, y is negative 8 minus negative 4. Now we need to clean up these signs. So 11 take away 2 is 9. So we need to add the opposite here. Okay, so we have negative 8 plus 4. That's going to be negative 4 squared. 81 plus 16. It's going to be 97. We need the square root of that. It's going to be an awkward one. So we're probably going to have to use our calculator. Square root of 97. Mine doesn't turn. I don't have a square root, so why doesn't mine turn? It has to do with that screen. Maybe that's what it is. I think I got it, you. I did. So the square root of 97. 9.8 is fine. Units. So the distance between there and there is 9.8. Now, if you ever get stuck, you can simply treat this as a Pythagoras question, because we can make a right-angled triangle like that. We can call that B and A. Oh, we can't read that. B, A, and C. Let's try that. So the hypotenuse we don't know, we're trying to get, and that'll be the distance between these 2 points. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 units. So there's our A squared. A is going to be 4 squared. B. And that's all equal to C squared. 16 plus 81 is equal to C squared. 97 is equal to C squared. And just like before, if we square 97, what did I say we get? 9.8. So that's the same thing as using the distance formula. Okay? So that's another little ditty.